Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lauki Sabji easy method. Start by heating 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds until they crackle, then sauté onions until translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and green chili, cook for a minute. Stir in tomatoes and spices, cook until oil separates. Add Lauki cubes, salt to taste, and 1 cup water, cover and simmer until tender. Heat oil and temper with cumin seeds and asafoetida, then add onions and cook until soft. Mix in ginger garlic paste and green chili, followed by chopped tomatoes and the measured spices. Cook until the masala releases oil. Add Lauki pieces and 1 cup water. Stir gently, cover, and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until tender. Uncover, adjust salt, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of lemon for freshness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: check out the Kindle Paperwhite for relaxed reading while your Sabji simmers. It's great for kitchen breaks and recipe browsing. I've linked deals and details in the description so you can learn more and shop easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Spoon the Lauki Sabji into a serving bowl and garnish with chopped coriander and a pinch of roasted cumin for aroma. This dish pairs well with rotis, parathas, or steamed rice, making it versatile for lunch or dinner. Leftovers keep well for up to 3 days in the fridge. Reheat gently on the stove with a splash of water to refresh the texture. Serve hot and enjoy with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.